Hello everyone, this question appears in class 7th NCERT chapter of perimeter and area. This is 7th question of its exercise 11.3. So the question says that find the perimeter of adjoining figure which is a semicircle including its diameter. So हमें यहाँ पे diameter given है 10 centimeter. So radius हो जाएगा हमारे पास d by 2 is equal to 10 by 2 is equal to 5 centimeter. So circumference of semicircle is equal to pi r. So हो जाएगा 22 by 7 into 5. So हो जाएगा 110 upon 7 is equal to 7 on the 7. 7 5 is 35.71 centimeter. And हमें find out करना है find the perimeter of adjoining figure. So perimeter of figure is equal to ये हो जाएगी हमारी circumference of semicircle plus diameter. So हो जाएगा 15.71 plus 10 is equal to 25.71 centimeter. Thank you.